bi monore Libya Innocenso no re Libya unno me devi no ramigo re Libya devi ra no migo ore Libya ra migo me payu kwa ere de no wari Libya do de marewa wala do give excuse ne gbe ma ho era no migo iti we ne wa kotana woti me wa ikati we mamuna do tiwe wo de gbo nkati me itama we na lare ogunyo ba ya ahin ariana afiari awe wa wo ogunyo ba kan wa na no migo me itama we na wa wo ogunyo ba ya wa ma wo ha iso ha ya yo janu e wa yo janu denis nu wa yo janu denis sewe e denis ati koko we for 200 years without a shake ma we America udo was wa but e denis sewe na no migo abukan ga fio na no migo to ate yeke na no migo bi ai wa ate
The big bros, tell my beautiful.
we ha wa mu we
That's a get we na go there. I look at Chema. Yeah,
wa guest stand you sona wa me ni allo we adie kwa do we o ba we ga die kwa de we to ni o mu dia yo we we ga die kwa we de to di tama we wa die kwa.
Good evening, brother. Good evening, brother.
To di tama we awo ka we Tony Tabaka owe di na mi go no die kwa no ago jane no mi go ai de to nyo ya we gwe ekwa kwa finu keri ma no to tage udo time me no asumu wa gwe na mi go no ade uwa we beti e bodo baseki na mi go agba e fokpa irana gbe ekai aga gba we me no social media president of time ma ya iri asemela dia ya inu aria na afia ria we wo re pe ya bogwa ma e joto
Share the video.
Anomigo itama wene Obaseki is our figure. Obaseki is star give you to ya pe when me right no ya la dia no atie bono Obaseki wo we no ya bi mo ke Libya re no ya bi mo ke Libya e review war Libya na amigo de wano tugu ya re Libya na no ma ti yuwa ya me ra ya meje ya me gbe ya me tere webu ama we si brother kan I want to imagine 30,000 kilo yariwa. From Libya to Nigeria is 30,000, 25,000. Also one. We are who bar amigo. When I'm here where Libya we go la webu. E money Libya to where. E aga to do we dead. Where we are 2020. Now 2010. I be 25. Ne when I'm where 2020 dey yeke. Where the time away, Mabe we wa teboni na ge our governor Obaseki ya latia inwe ya inwe maso ya inwe baba ya inwe obie
ticket na den we eri o ha a private jet attended me na no ya tie we
Obaseki why what you why
a private jet attended we na wa me stainless e cause we about your or you what ugele ja bi governor ite nu
wa kwa lu ba wa ko gbebu meri ni dolo wa ko yi egwa ina ku kwani a
be no we la go we na dollar aboyi we no ho no kiemi ya be Facebook kiemi ya e Facebook la e woni bu wa be wa ekeme ya kuwe wakimu na ya wa azegeri e nu ozuo e pigi no mama ya wa azegeri bu e bon
ogun pa enu kenu beta we e baba we na dia katila dia na ya wi maria be anomigo wi maria be atokpo aso ora po we
ekeme ya kuwe ya wari e nu
motiena ngwe bi akpo maria be ngwa e ba atokpo gbuwa wa e ba lo hanedero di gay ama e bi ogbani ama e bi okwuni no asugwese gwa edelu weje gwa delu we hiari anamigo la set nana.
Voice of Justice or one Mudiano, Yawa Himuena, Yawa Himu, Damian,
or Joe, be obedient, obedient. Well, you ain't my baby, I want baby, or my cat of boy. And I'm going to dinner. Naked when you went up. A watch your bonus, Obasaki, you watch your bonnet.
Yet is here the video. I didn't see him in a Nico Konagwe. Good evening, brothers and sisters. If you do know some, I do no woman. I do not go to me go to. I do not why get the gun Obama Obedoya Obano use Utago on Amudia Obato. He said. Do if you do your fair come here after bay no mutia where ogo do or bangani or amutia utomo owe why a movie or ya wesi when we go back dollar do it no would there all where at me udeno mavedoni or at me pono mavedoni at me even obvious a more you say when it time where Ogion Bahio Ogion Zola betu. So first of all, a video now. Okoni no wa gwamba e weni e pigini e yakawa gogun. A video no pe ni it do any light so man. Wo we ugele ya hen where e weno and e we no wen ko ware where it didn't work bad social media when on Lala a day. Where bros Okbenuke Beyobere Okbenuke fee. Understand? Again, we are here go and where Mokata every time we media where a do Obama mwe bog boy, a do mamwe bog boy, war you know even uto. On a minute time where the mufina where war you know even to. Ina in the light ma go na time na gba o wa we egene de awazo hu owo aze o ze po we maybe azohi oria ogboma ori obioma maybe azana ya dole wo iyan wo ma do vonto o ga me mi opa no ya ri e wo na o ga me mi opa no ya mu e wo na yo to ugane mi okpa omugwe nwamebu na ugane mi okpa no ya sian yeke uya vinyato okbeni maini ona emi bi tamedi mofi where uwe vonto the same thing with our brothers no ebe wo but egbe ebe of sunuda eri owa no avembon egbon so far we my dear e my we mi no ayari ya tedu umai wemi no ayari ya mobo no ayari ya mowe umai wemi no aya sie egwame sikoto umai wemi no aya we nudo mu egwame emina we kwa nudo mu adie social media nudo eniya umana weni utome gwe ala oda ogwe eni obenika obeto otedoni oni ogoni edi mofi dausa time when we egede ni mi ado ya gu wegun na we ge no deni ya go she video me no pe maybe long time ago wa se no tun na re uponi na we ge deni ado ya gu wegun egede ni na we emi no tun ewu no tun e ya lapo ni o be gbese 3 to 4 months in any 3 to 4 months in any emi no ewu yo via e ba ni mi ake na we mi ari e jo tun ni ya ari egu we no wo a no rien erutu ne no rien vatie ne eriekia ne o no ma tin o no ogbe no ma tin o eriekia ne no rien ne be social media no rien erie vatie there is a do reality talk show nu ya mi vie do ego be social media una wa ya be eluwa be suku even Ogio Bani na Boma Manige Emoki face ore involve egbe mi na ni wasun ebege ni amami odawo uwe jo wana ni ya ogugwe kewe bore we emi nu mi bi do go ba bi social media ga we ya 4+4 uwe wa ni we ya je nu ya we kuwe kera no mi go do mo no amegbe owo agbon apobo you mete what won we la po ne we me bi we senator no we la maybe all TV social no we TV so social media we TV do la de do as when no ka bo down where all wa mo bo mu edoni boto because where we ga la de we gwe uwa isoye udu anya udu agbe udu atawe ru agbe no le kai ru agbe no kekade eru agbe no do ru agbe no gode because why when what omoda mudia ni omoda na atokpe abebi ekame so mudia tama we orin oba girl ama oba mamu ebokwe meto bi mene oba seki no bi neze na bisu pe okata ne we oba mamu ebokwe uwe voto uga mama uswe mi we una ne ya uswe kakebo nuwe palo yoko nuwe mu ade na ne nu mu de social media na ne ya uswe mi na ene na ya fefefe na voto ba because why first of all ekeno ba se ki na ekeno na mabe wo no gun ame American ya no gun America ma redo va ni general Aria Beje va de Tony Kabakaje va de Samsije va de comrades many people not aware Obaseki o magbon even Tony Kabakada si won la de na we get do Obaseki ga ogiga umamie ni ta no ri gun the America nu wa e social media je even mi no ta selfie do ya we mi bono ti no Obaseki si Obaseki ye ke no sogun le monari ticket ne mi no mi ne no mi go ta CNN na do mi we iviedo iya hete iya idaise ado ami we APC gbina una do ladia we na mi go wa gbon e we ho erewe daise baba go na mi go ta pe mo no we do die we whatever do udiene first bet emi nu we no ladia we meti we otalo ladia we meti ta because why if they also not we ekwebok e we ya mi bi e kago all of one do we man edimofi dausa. There is a damn one. The story we were well torn. The preparation we were prepared where this is legacy new the social media as a social media president Mutieboe nu we well torn. There is a they compose the school where there is a the legacy we were creating now. You are a very big fool and you remain a fool forever in the movie. Idaosa. Unwe no waton ekwe no wamu me obuhani no do bienwe no do evolve sike o anado ga o visual now awwe ubiju mama system no read on here from Easter year who blood money to politician any year we go you go 20 year those are rubbish man go and work ya nwina di mofi daosa na kpoma na negbe magbana no owo ya nwina wewe go and pay tax to the government to the German government ebeni ari enu ya nwina ya build a legacy iwe to bo we jemi ni we ane level very ase ni ya ane level wo bejema ege jama yi we kan we run on social media ni mama be open on social media ni o eniyan ege jam that is Europe we do benefit Europe or kekenu we system Europe mama Africa where you do ya practice you do ya live with Europe as a human being because why you live with ozuo when be say me mama still as very like the other thing why you clear border do ga woni o sigbori agbo ane o gbegbe ene that is you make ni ai pe rage you make ni ai muti age ogba pros in more time where I don't support Obaseki. I don't support Osomule. I support who will do integrity things that will make my idol great. You know, see, and assist me with a shot so. I know, I say, wait till this man talk, and I make me shout. Because why? I cannot get that stress again. I come up for 6 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. I wake up 5 o'clock, brush, take my bath for 5:45. Now 15 minutes to my work. I go drive 15 minutes to my work. That is 6 o'clock. I go start work 7 o'clock. I go come close 5:30 in the evening. Now I will go drive to house. Before I reach Arsenal, it will be 7:30 to 8. Now that can maybe if traffic day where I finish 9, never reach out. That kind of person will get time go to the war because if not be same, you need people money. If not be same, you need all those politician money because where we get anywhere they share money. That is why when I get tickets. Why you wire as well? Instead of you while reliable, no fear when make it talk to them. No matter the system, no matter the cost. Do better thing. Donald Trump every day by day till they receive cost. Obaneto boy, era name nese na abuse boy ekpita mame. O we chief of Panamudia me ya regwe. Then the great yawa. In regwe. O we na mudia. O una mere o tasona ke uweri eladian because why? I know one born now. I know one when you are doing wrong things in any situation, bros. Do better thing. If that is an amigo, no time. What do you do? All your own to come out for social media. Or zuona mama. We or ruekba. Ewu meriji. Fafa floor. Uje government what? No jowa. Make an amigo class. That one might be your problem. Go and settle your children. Make them get legacy. See, you don't see as about they do follow you. Oh, I baby, boya or arrange life. Webo, when I deba and arrange life, you are nothing. You are nothing. You any Ahuayamuda Joshua, the Strabo. Then they follow all those Imunanovo Hakado who were always just like that. Because where you Mama will travel, Ogba. Ogo tuesunu una verule arewa ogba emorowa anabe social media ya so government mi owo mo iyam o magbu egbe wo wa de mo fi dausa no wo no bi go pasu wo agbon fi okwa o ma ke no igberage o tun la posting ya o ma se you o pa se ki we so lele who da wo se lo tun to pa se ki ma enenera no mi go ta ti se ko to. Don't pass a kima. Bonamigo tiene etisekoto. Don't pass a kima. Anything amigo talebe etisekoto. If you want to know, if those things are really true, now voice of justice they tell you to do. Your brother not contest. Your brother not win the election. Your brother not still remain as of your Senate. Waiting they do one. Or no, we don't talk more than that. You are a very big fool and you remain a fool. Come and cause war for social media. Or go have boy at the movie. Do shoko, I will face you. You are a winner. Imubue. You are a war. Imubue. I will tell many people what they do for you because why? Okonunga on wasina. My brother is in the bagwania. Wahene wakoboyo. Also, we are going to get Oswald and I let you Oswald get no come here. And then Ogami, I didn't know where so. I mean, so when I hear the clap, the clap, share money, ask Kabaka the talk. Make they don't see share this your hand. Also, now what your Bano Baseki, we know see Donald Trump, that they cause any Emmanuel Macron for the Man City when I did. That is your citizens, they will cause for you present and the security my way, you know. Obas even dancing I don't wear a sira juago no ragbon e tiabono no remi no ragbon and one I talk by mudia when the time away who be at the mofi dausa Papa even why you do here e me agilate o be wisdom wa Memo viowe na so no we social media president any name no rita any politics no rita any ogba any name opa no rita bag no rita tamedo okay this is what is going to happen okay they are do oton wegele ya 20 they all emi wegele una or gele logo I believe because why you not get any word again brother you are already a winning and they're not winning. He pay me for that woman when you marry. I pity for that woman. I pity for her. Don't worry. It's a election. I don't way. Where I go in or can't be. Or maybe although you see where election. This is gubernatorial election. Total you were for o deshi wa ho wa mason ekpa na mama gba na wa le yo lere wa ore social media as ekpe gbe maka go baseki gun gbe maka ro yo baseki va the social media o ma no video ni me no wa de mo fi da osa no wa iti e bono wo kan iti e bono we wa de na bobo wa so wa de na bobo wa fun wa de na bobo wa bi yore e de no atemata na do aya move forward e de agun amawe e de no agun we e rie keke ne do aje e de agun amawe no na ide ba o gboka na ruda we agbinma eri mata mama agboka ni agbinya no ka e ba ya kin ave mo ni rogo ani ni tawe 3+1 also we mana gun ya kan ya so ma yen or no do aso any on social media there the way gba we video no so we generally ma we no ya tama we gele gba ya tama we 8 years ni must gba kabaka ma we no ya tama we 8 years ni must gba all those Samson ya tama we 8 years ni abe boys here keken abe boys here go and tell them amigo adogu gwa na gbonfi nu wa no de na bobo wa edugun ogbo ogun ba gbo wa ku wiwe gwa when you see Africa respect European or say legacy how me afefe we are we gwa ni egbe ga secret we they know that you are a bastard we no gbe la de wu otun obokon tun una pere media uwe o wishe the social media goya totally we go you are a bastard and you remain a bastard and ni meti we that moment we mu la social media we wa me we yesu ogun ba ka gbo edimofi uri agbon ari agbon na thank God where all your sin God don't they give you there don't they punish you we making we ije na ya we making who we ile regeka iya wa ko baseki bania. That is a wefo. That is a wefo. Just like that. No salo boari no ma no keke where the wisdom and knowledge no salo boari no ma no ya ni wagbon no ya dole edogbono joyi una do lati en media be ni memudia na when you want to talk to the world you need peace. Now you come out again you need saga agbo e wa so agbo e wa fan and they wait for you. Wow. Anybody don't care when I'm video now. Who am I? Fuck you all of you now. I be done yeah, that was I all of now. If I don't go give up, more than fuck you yourself. All of now are the same thing. No ya progress wa golo. Look at how now they share destiny picture. Look at how now they share destiny picture. Destiny never do for our life. Who never shop destiny money make it come out for all those now when they share the picture. May God punish all of our generation. Who never shop destiny money make it come out come swear for this media all of now when they share that go on no one here by ba no way Libya la we bo men ya do go le ni no way there is a destiny not be friend again you dey wari ma e man there is a me fertilizer ni amu we bo nwo we pogide there is ne laga no mu ye wa gun we destiny not be your friend again don't fuck ogun ba gbo Obokani no wa moke wani no wa gba de mani obokani that is every okoro no they don't ma okay no gu wegbon we o gba ni wa o gugun ani you are a big fool. I will go check your profile you will come out you say me they wait for you want come out for media I go come out for you for that matter see you be my friends for there I don't want to mention your name you will you know yourself you will they talk to you know yourself you will they share destiny picture see esi one in Kubana also we go marina je already always su wagbe you think say una no go evolve one day be one day unless where you go be like us no worry oku o wa bie o ko komo ko kame or there is he go dey work, he go dey take care of his responsible family. That is how. If you don't be like that, other where good evening, my fellow Nigeria. Good evening, my Ogbonba Agbuedi Mofi. Come and say it again. Come and say it again. Wa agbe o, unwe ran mi wo ogbu e. Unwe to ogba ogbu e. Egba ogbu e. Wa ho wa bi pin abore. Stainless. Only where this is real Agbe governor. Stainless don't be pin abore that on social media. Or we go on social media pangana that all be pin abde valant. Ogba. But we ma umane governor where they in Oredo State now in 7 years. Because anybody knows yet don't in Ore, he must complain say me 7 years. Believe me, he must complain say me 7 years. Suffer day everywhere. All the artists, the media presenter in Ore, no say Weibo. He must do video say me that place not dey okay. When I do like the Ogba, walige ticketing. Wa de na bobo wa stainless wa when about the igbo no don't mind can you na igbo when audio korosha make carry go korosha for upper make go buy igbo for you stainless make carry go korosha for upper make go buy igbo for you Ogbonba Agbu what do have clear business odukun 4+4 you don't ask them wetin 4+4 don't do we go give am 4+4 you suppose ask them wetin 4+4 don't do we go give am 4+4 other one I will they want. See, I don't like Godwin Obaseki. I don't like Osomule. There is anyone because why? Lucky Bino do not kill that Bini. As they say, dogs, you don't kill them. So anyone where feel raise come and say me, all those dogs go work. They go see since morning I dey work. Now if month reach I go earn money take care of my children. Any governor wey fit do that thing for Edo land, may God bless am and you go see chance take come. You say you dey always carry your finger Ogba, they share, they embezzle. Who no support you na to go destroy your house? Who no support you na to go to tell and say me, we hotel where you build say me and the government property now you build up. Bros, we not there for that accusation system. All what we did. Bros, if you no say what you do for Edo State, it go carry you bros. Alagali, Arab say hemshi, inshallah. You go. Be there. Be there. Say them what can carry you say me na bread. This emite or zonuma luna ni ati the Mofi doubt and not back by social media. Oh, we do have you politician where may they carry go Okorosha or may they carry go Efaro. Or may they carry go Baze for New Benin. Or may they carry go lady. May you go smoke better skunk. Not be this one where you smoke for Europe where they when be say you not make your brain call a thick where I do take move forward. See, I want to tell you now. If you not do better thing, I dey use and sing. If you do good thing for Edo, nobody will come shoot gun say me you know they go anywhere. The ancestors of that land, when listen me, Obima when me you turning, all that temu, every now if you see here, you hear that my big brother Don Cliff say me, all that temu, you go hold the yards as a governor, you go blow past. Wow. Because why? The frustration, it did there. The good hospitalities, it did there. The civil servants everywhere occupy. Now bonjour, good morning. Everywhere, there is everybody they go work as if they talk for Europe. Yeah, good bonjour. Now know that bonjour, that is good morning. If you see this good evening, I will see because afternoon we know they ask. Everywhere occupy. If month reach, if you put your card for ATM, everywhere full. We don't be blood money. We don't support blood money. We don't support Yahoo. We dey plan good legacy for our children. When we say men, they go see us say, yeah, this is how our father do on this land. From there, we dey carry our industry, they move. That is how we know. For you to come and say, Ogba, when you know say, Ogba never do things. You hear the command, guy, Ogba Agbu, Umake no boko ni magbaji, no Agba wani. Na mo yagban, na Agba yagban. I wanna when you say me some here. I wanna when me die me. And I'm here. Ebo era no mi was here, ni na te with 3 plus 3. Era no mi wa gbe 3 plus 3 di mo fi da sa. Wa ba do mo kese sada guado ba we. Ade wa iye opadu wa ma we anybody no gun ye we egba wa onu wa biego begwa. Eno iye edoma hu esese. From my Bizugbe family, they could work at a na Bobua. It was our way, Gobazuwai. My mother side now from me, I said, I said, my Lord, now we be the years of Benin now. When we be present now, God punish you, Yalaya, abolition, Yaya. And the Mofi house, I want to na Bobua. Now, I don't know, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1. Tell me, no, that's so social media when I'm going to do na Bobua, or go back boy. Ogun back boa isokana wo kan gu egun eti ewe lawo wa gbe o ne huemu enagba enu pogodo wa do apere social media pepere wa do ape ogun ba agbo e what can blessing e me blessing we re bai e no mi go aweke ati mu na obielomo obiele ogun ba agbo e when obiele le government mi o because why you not get good legacy, you not get good character. When you swear social media, I believe we do have a go can swear. The same thing, the same thing might change. Ume aso no me where no fear no we say don't we withdraw kwa. Wa fight okay na bado time agbon where area we orin ba ama ga me kata we orin ba ama we oba matie bonu e. Motor voice of justice or time. Oba matie bonu uwe voto uhane minu ya sie edogo to guy uvinyato igwinyato riba ugwi eguda no bori riba dunane iyezoru ne pe you go the titibiti wa here atisa we see edo mahin edo you don't know what you will they fight justice but even we so you know we wa kata play na me go wona ogun ba agbo and I don't hear boy because where I don't know me see here na the asi gbiniya wo somule wo agbe o kan gbe the DJ no why ti wa bio no why ti wa say where social media no because ogo kan me ti turning immediately turning because where a system in how when a robo kan when you dey se we do we were fully the family even we fully here. You're the disgrace the family. You're the give a big disgrace to the family, to that Adu family. Ruda uri yokuwa. Usui wanajo no. Usui wanokborunwe. First of all, usui wanokborunwe. Orunwe ewe wagbe no wanu dena bobo wagbe o ugbe otun no dion. E daos ana eyin no denisi na daos ana. Eyin no ni a no wu wo kan. Also na pekulo because why I don't wear the RFO I wait the go have para the oruweko emi ya nuta lo social media benu ya wo kan we mi ya fefe ya reko benu ya family ya ya reko to eti yo si buo mfo also na pekulo believe wo ga obaseki o ka we fianu obaseki ga we mi si e no go share money mo be la dia we if they say now the same make you share money say you want to do good thing for Edo State now because of that one the same make you share money may you not do good thing tie that money very well make I give you rope spiritual rope Jonah may you take care of that money may you not share now but if not be that one now your pocket now private jet now all your business make I don't dey suffer make the talk come plenty for Benin make the courtesy come plenty for Benin for your regime now me I come dey hear the and say now kidnapper come increase for Benin brother no alagale o voix en français o voix baba no segobe baba no is 3 plus 1 just like that and the railway bus here when they say the truth but you don't see Asowore be now because Asowore is a real legacy man where that is a freedom fighter. I don't know why Asowore may support never because why? He's a freedom fighter. Anyway, no uvoto keka umayati mudia social media agumeti ma we o ye se na ye le yo le fun me la ye la jere o da to pe no ye la da ta we amamo ba make ata agumaye ma we o ye so biri na agwa be yo di mo fi da osa ya agwa le ke mu de oni ni gie we mota o ba se kini no vi ne se na no vi bisugbe o da we ya agwa le ku mu re ya agwa le ke di owo kan tun enu na o lo na owo kan tun enu wo agba ma ti e bonu e gbo ma ti e bonu e do ma ti e bonu e ma ya owo kan tun enu we o lo wo do we me mi no lo we ya ge babo what did babo no ya ge mi no ko sa ne gbe ere oni awo ti we ma wo e ke kan nu we ya do ya time e wo ya ki ya ge mi no ko sa ne ba wa le mi we wo egba wa ogun ba gbo idenu get time if economical come out you know what make me when no it that say make I also tell you where no so now when I economical na pay me pass when be say they give you will don't die you be say me you don't die for social media they don't pay you nice all your word there is no let them when I just nothing and we go with one when ye platform they ata a social media president when no what that was you were going bros if I go house I will go inside palace na my house na my father house na so my father tell me when I was growing I dey go palace not be today I wan start because I say me I be media presenter make I use and show media people say nah no fit I don't dey inside palace make I every day we dey go inside palace every day we dey go inside palace now you just come out for there you come dey shake your agbon fio when they refie make it agbon gele fio when agbon gele fio when they refie make it no if you buy a tamawe wa ona mmawe ya mudia no gba oge moro sa abwari enu e no eti ansa enu wewe odion owokan do owokan fi do odion hin no eti ansa enu we and owokani when no your wokan because owokan need money ozo na le no man ti gu egun o believe who I ti the whole at yawa o ma believe o ma ewe use eni dan o si ge family ni o ma but because can no bona by the side of can you imagine and then no bona e go o celebration here papa the drink now I no fish at my brother don't fish at papa call you niggas we be say man they celebrate they begin the flex because why if papa do anything and we if you do your book or your book and do no go no that man here no but I want to say here we want you to carry your bristol na do eke una na eke no na mu go e we here the movie dausa go and replay your legacy dear where about bob or whatever no e na me mama bob go e na me matie bonu e uwa me mi no ya ri e hotel na bio na yu na go to na ye kon e ku me wa me no ya si e bonu go to uvi nyato uvi eguda no bo just like that oh but and we do no I can't love on because why we swim in avoeba we via fefe ne rave you no kan ne niwa you no kan where you know we swim politician no we do amosisi no we do aviemo no we do awona and we courtesan we want pa no we bros or we dollar you way you are fighting for human traffic and no you do based on rave gele kun if you don't do someone ne pe oko no e no bata no e ne ri yan ka e na bi pe wo na we do aye social media you are the one that fight it also be everybody listen to the voice of our father our king you are nothing but nothing who are you to come and say now you fight human traffic God punish you yala ya abolo shinija you dey mad you dey see about where you dey with that tell her ask about see about my junior brother junior one junior da ask her you know me very well not be see about my man my mom na the same family you see me and about we be cousin to that family Not try me say maybe say if me a dey as you the man I the Murphy the outside. When they are bat 4+4 and not victor bola they not no ni gbogbo ne isi osale le zuo le kona be kona and you have la dey victor my agwale muna no anwu na no ya pay tax in the government me take arrange your life for Europe. It is South Africa want arrange your life for you. They go only court for you. But the corruption don't even reach your body. Just like that. Corrupt one. Also in that time media where one media now donate wanna fraud wa him man. Fraud. Oji wa him. Men no konika oji no. Ere jiro agbono ge mi oji no. Oji wa him. Few. Na wa gele wa e go we. Wani wala tie no do ala we politician na munu wa waje. Men wa waye o eni. Eri 50 million yo bono pa ya doze o money o. Eri 10 million yo bono pa ya o desi o na o. Eri we are one media social media we are pa the media ne. E di mo fi e wa pa media no wa mo o keke. O wa calculate 10 million unu go na euro about maybe about 10 million about 50,000 euro. Gume ya gwa be na wa le mi wa. Eri we a pe e gani na tama we Koyo, Egwawedo, Koyo, Egwawo, anybody, Koyo, Egwawedo. Okay, Kerry, Ronaldo, falling on the side, when they are low, when they are that way, wait, baby, to Ladia, and the Betty, Abana Baseki. And when the time one what's the matter time here? Tony wa Betty, Abana Baseki, or Ariane wa Betty, Abana Baseki, or Samsi wa Betty, Abana Baseki, or EFF and Web. They be real APC, so you go meet them for their meeting. Say, "Wa we Betty, Abana Baseki, yeah." Wa learning we social media on Akpo. I be social media president, a president also, Ogwamba Agbo, o governor Suosa. Take time, Timothy. Take them. Wow. O ede no amuje no ateme me do ayama no adebado ede ya gun amawe oge understand ede ya gun amawe anybody no go le self say stomach frustration when baba ha ewe odeko ogiye ye kwalo when me je kwalo ko me eti me no mu wo me iwo no amu me mu ya dole teme yi they are suffering man e go kawe bode gbebu e man di emeri gelegele mawe an error mawe masigo but wa gelegele ya weti demi no pa wa the €100 you what that is about 40,000 about 38,000 naira before they no sinu e say the next week I go be call you when even wa ka we you know anything my brother my sisters wanna let those people wanna the day wanna go talk the truth and that day God go bless you now. The day when I go say the reality where those governors they go sit down for their office, they go really think say man, true those citizens talk, and that day God go bless you. The day when I go begin fight, you know, stop frustration, say on our family, on our children. That day, media go begin to say man, now fake will be, and I will be remain fake, and God Almighty will expose you. Thank you very much. Share this video. I don't care to know anybody. If you carry, you carry. If you don't want to carry, leave it. Because wamu. And the muffin ya fefe na wamu ogwamba gbe everybody we gbete now ikewe. Mega comrades, make I use this opportunity just to tell you the day when business you will always talk to this man for media say Muna begin to talk about I don't want to progress that I go verse for you I not be freedom fighter when not the fight and win right from the day one. I be minister of defense when I did Maroc. The time when I don't run regime. This motherfucker when they talk so. If now my regime now when he experience waiting and don't experience for politics. That is you're not going to talk anything better. Yeah, anything stupid. So, bros, before we handle regime for Maroc, later we carry doors. Many people, Edo people, and make sure they spoil those people. They kill a lot of people. They make sure they stranded Edo people, Edo women, and Edo men. But when we come, everybody get to Europe. In our time, that is the day when we say, Europe open for Maroc. Everybody enter Europe, finish. Bros, if you never know, if you never test what to be good thing, go think about the time when we say, Ogbemu their day, Abu Salud day, when we say, now the same though, go think about the free education and the good health wey be say and good road and good company wey dey that time. Go think about am because you begin come out for media dey say something. If you no talk about those one, na you come dey carry your finger wey you know say we may say from here. If you do good thing, you go receive good thing. If you do good thing for Edo State, nobody go pursue you come out like fly. Then everybody go endorse you unless anytime say the one thing we say at the time so for him you are nothing. We are who we so we was when we swag what you know, bros. You dey learn. We not artist musician. We be say they use word. You can't carry that word. All the word when I don't talk since I will come gather. I will play beats. Put now I will be. Don't let me they play beats for you. If I sing for you, now me go they go studio by myself. I know they call people do one Voice of Justice Entertainment. Enter my profile, may you see me. I be full musician. Don't try me, okay? And don't try PFM. Mind your own business and make sure say you mind your own business. If not, my brother, Avanuhu, Holy Ghost fire day you well. This is the message I delivered to you this morning, Friday. Take them and receive them and get sense. And talk what you go make it do great. And focus on your own. If you know if you talk, or sellotape, make I send you sellotape for here. Make you sellotape. If you know if you talk, say man, if you talk, they'll kill you. Make a sellotape. If you know say you want to use one side, come call say me na Europe. Person wait off America when be say me not distraught. Person we want carry governor. Bros, we fit do you the thing for media. We were there Europe. Not the fight. We not the fight. We not the key. But our mouth can kill you as a needle. Our mouth, our temperature, our words, and what God used to bless us to let us tell you, say man, this is how you will change. We will use that to face you. Just like that, yesterday. God bless you, everyone. God bless you, everyone. So share this video to this man. Let him receive it and focus on his children. Go and take care of his family and take care of your life. I want to live for life. So I greet you, everyone that shared this video. God bless you, everyone. Bush Lion, Iyayi. I see you there. Kelly, Don Kelly White, I see you there. My big brother, Andrew Mofon. God bless you. That is my PFF soldier ministry. Share this video. Let everybody know that not be people going talk good thing for Europe because we are waiting with the experience for Europe here. If you they give them away their house, when are they taken? Bros, this morning I they work. I not be graduates. I be secondary school droppers. As now they talk am. But money when I they earn for a month. Professor, when be say me don't read. Be a becon white, this like this. You come full risk like this, you know they end down for Nigeria. So if you fit change that kind of situation, make it be like that for Nigeria, say man, everybody they work according to the we get the money, we get the industry, we get the factory. When we say man, if we use our money, create them, everybody will occupy. We go feed do them, so I go clap for you and I go bring you comments on social media. If not, bros, no time. Understand? You don't feel the key in my tongue. Me, you come to use on the rub me. Me, I tell him, say, only say, me cannot cry again. I must cry and tell you the real truth. That is how we know. God bless you, everyone that's hear the voice of justice. God bless you, everyone that listens to the voice of the voiceless. That is how we know. May God bless you, brothers and sisters. Big bros in America. I repeat again, Bush Lion. There is a tiger one. I see you, bros. At the time, so we know the quarrel, we know the verse. But if Moff is saying theirs, he go palace and so you take governor. Say, I take governor, this one else at the begin the main video. This guy, you did there just now. I don't see you there. And you they talk about destiny just now. You and your wife, they eat padanyam. You say now because destiny not be your guy. You don't come out, guy, mind your mouth for social media. Because why? Destiny a man like you. If you want, make another person face you as the same and you be presenter. Because I don't know you as a presenter, but I see you say you they come out now. If you want, if you say that destiny matter and you want to get fans, guy, get the way when I take position, you will get fans. And your name will swear for media. Go ask of people when I don't pursue, enter ask and maybe voice of justice. Don't try me, eh? And you live destiny matter, not ever go there again. God bless you, everyone that listen to the voice. Goodbye. I want to go relax. I get tomorrow, na free day, because Monday to Friday, at the job, 24 hours. Now, I don't, you not see me. See my swagger. Maybe you see me finishing. I never even pull shirt. I never even pull anything. See my trouser. You see my trouser when I take the go walk. You understand? I be construction matter, but I want to let you know, say, man, when I meet you, obey no we the movie the house. Go and find something doing. Go and give your children legacy. Anyway, planting now. Who was you? See, this red way they put for you. If not better one, carry go. If not be better one, say, man, you want to use one come say, man, cause confusion. Snap confusion go enter your body. Your 2020, you know go see him. God bless you, everyone. May God bless you that know the truth. That's waiting voice of justice talk. Now waiting one make a do great and support me. And don't be supporting those people that say donate for me without that donation. You know they know where they go. Believe me, unless PFM tell you say me see and see me what they want to do, let them be. God bless you, everyone. I leave you now for now.